Hello YouTube viewers. Well, I just wanted to show you how this underwater camera works. Right now I'm walking down to the lake. I tried this before and it really is nothing, so I'll just show you guys a little walk around the lake. Oh wait, look at this. There's an airplane flyover. He's coming. Wow, he's low. Real low. Now take a look at this. Woo! Well, this guy's gonna come right over us. Woo! Just listen to that jet engine roar. Right over us. And into the trees. Nice. Alright, now I'll show you the underwater camera part. This is the lake. This is the water. There you go. That's YouTube for you.